Hi, everybody. Today is Friday, May 1st, 1st of May, 2020. Hope you're having a good day so far, and hope your day gets better and better as it goes on. Today's message is to be a good friend and a good listener. Those kind of go hand in hand. And this shirt that I'm wearing with the pineapples, pineapple is an international sign of friendship. So be a good listener. That could be you who are letting someone else talk, and you wait your turn and you say something back, or just listening, just to listen. People appreciate that too. All right, so you've got to wait your turn to talk when somebody's talking with you, and then you can give your feedback back to them, whether it's just a comment or you're just agreeing because you do agree with them, or maybe you're giving your opinion to be helpful. Okay, so be a good listener. All right, weird but true too. Some worms can grow to 100 feet long. More than 200 people could fit inside the world's biggest igloo. Winter lasts for 21 years on Uranus. Most squid have 3 hearts. Isn't that interesting? They said most squid have 3 hearts. Astronauts grow up to 3 inches taller in outer space. Any ideas why? What's not out in outer space that we have here on Earth? Think about it. That could be part of an extra credit question too, like an extra to the extra credit. That's a cool little fact right there. All right, so the first extra credit question is going to go with this space fact. If how many years would it be if it was 10 winters on Uranus? Okay, so how many winters would it be? How many years would it be if it were 10 winters on Uranus? So how many Earth years would that be? All right. All right. Today, again, it is kind of like the rest of this week that we've had already. It is finish anything that you may have had to have finished. We had fluency checks 7, 8, 9, and 10. All the quick quizzes that were due, and the review test from the booklet. Please send pictures of those if you can. We'd appreciate it by today. If you need to go into next week with it, that's fine. Perhaps give us a heads up and let us know, or let me know, I should say, that you are going into next week with that work. All right? So, finish review test and any quick quizzes and fluency checks. Be a good friend and a good listener. And yes, that's supposed to be an ear. That's my extent of my artwork there. Number 2, you're still doing that cooking and measuring task. If you have not sent the picture in, please do so of whatever you made, whether there's something you built something or cooked or made something like that. And extra credit part, this is part 1, I guess. I should say part 2 because I gave the other one first. If you have 2 cakes that use 2.5 tablespoons of vanilla, how much vanilla did you use for just 1 of those cakes? All right, if you have 2 cakes that use 2.5 tablespoons of vanilla, how much vanilla did you use for just 1 of those cakes? All right, so different kind of word problem on that one. I'm going to show you a few past memories because I've been forgetting. I noticed I've been forgetting to share those. I turn off the recording and I look to my right and I go, oh my God, I left the items that I wanted to share. So one is actually very recent, but I still put it in a memory box. I save all these. This is a concert ticket from this past November. Group I went to see. This is an older group. For you parents out there, you probably heard of these guys. It's the group called Tool. Saw these guys with Mr. Peckoff. Actually, great show. One of my favorite shows all time. And then my youngest daughter, Lauren, is insisting that I show you these, and I hate to show these, but 6th grade picture, 7th grade picture, yikes, and yikes. I do not like my pictures from the past, but whatever. Here is another, last one I'll share. Progressive Field, it used to be called Jacobs Field when it first opened up, and this was a schedule from their first season at the Jake. Oh, no, I'm sorry. This was their 2nd season, I believe. I believe first one was 94, yes. But anyways, this is a schedule. They still make these. You open them up. It tells you what teams are playing, what dates, and they show you the promotions that they have that year. And it shows you like a seating chart of the stadium. Okay, and those are some of our all-star players. On the front, we had 5 all-stars. How cool is that? That was a good team. Championship team there. We almost won the World Series. All right, so be a good listener. Be a good friend. And have a great weekend. It's supposed to be beautiful out this weekend. Get outside and do stuff. You guys are always welcome to send me any pictures, any funny messages. Love to see those since we can't see each other in person. That's one cool way to stay connected. All right. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye.